Hi, welcome to the worst cooking show on the planet. So I'm making this video just to celebrate me breaking 1000 subscribers. And that's a huge milestone in my life. I'm so thankful that I got there, and I pretty much got there much earlier than I expected. The biggest reason for this is mostly because GMA News posted some images of Sitankgai on the Facebook page showing a high tide, and this created a spark of interest in this village or town, as you might call it. And when you go on YouTube and search Sitankgai, my video happens to be the top result. I don't know why, but it's beneficial for me. So therefore I have received a huge influx of views and therefore also a spike in subscribers. And I'm really happy for all of you who decided to subscribe and really want to keep watching on my channel. Because that, as I said, that means a lot to me. And it really gives me a motivation boost and will definitely make me continue to do my work and bring content and provide whatever entertainment you want. However, what I've been thinking of is that to celebrate this I'm going to probably cook something, and especially it should be something that is Filipino, because most of my subscribers are obviously Filipino or have some connection to this country. So what I decided is to cook Puto, and I've never cooked Puto before. So Puto traditionally is made out of some slightly fermented rice flour called galapong. However, I do neither have rice flour nor fermented rice, so that's going to be very difficult. So I'm instead going to make something that is more like a simpler way, which is just using normal flour. Of course, that's not really authentic Puto, but I have no other choice. I actually do have sort of like a mix already that is made of rice flour, but I want to make this thing from scratch, alright? Not using any cheat codes. Now Puto is usually accompanied with a meal, but you can also have it as its very own delicacy. Now I'm just going to get the equipment for cooking, so just stay where you are. Measurement! Bowls! Steaming basket! And what we need to get next is of course the ingredients, which is harina, asukal, gatas, itlog, butter, katas ng vanilya, maliliit ng hima ng keso, and baking powder. So now we got all the ingredients, now it's just time to combine them. So for the sake of making this video less cringe and probably more like what you expected, just start to stir whatever you put in a bowl gently. Then do not forget to add the melted butter, of course. And of course the vanilla extract. And then you're just gonna get the form that you're supposed to put it in. Of course, naturally you're going to make a smaller one, a smaller portion, so just use smaller. And then of course you gotta loop it all up. And then you just fill up. And then of course you gotta boil the water to use for steaming. To be quite honest, I have no idea how this is going to turn out. So it might be a failure. I don't know. Let's wait and see until 50 minutes later. Alright. Let's see. Oh, good. Woo. Oh my goodness. It's actually not so bad after all. Look at that. It's firm. This is unexpected. Alright, time to add the queso. I think this is, oh, it's leaning on the lens. Ooh, guess what? It's not that bad at all. You can see here. It's looking pretty good. Aha! The massive puto! Don't show this to Mexican or any Spanish speakers, alright? Let's see if this is like... texture is... yeah, just like puto. It's just a big puto. Let me try... Wait, it smells exactly like puto too. Who would have thought? So, try it out. Kamayan, of course. It just tastes exactly like puto. This was better than expected. Approval. Try to beat my record, making the biggest puto you can. Please tell me if you have, alright? And give me your opinion on this one, please mention in the comment or something. It's probably not the best one, it's not the authentic one or traditional one, but it's still pretty good. Oh yeah, I'm going to eat whole of it, because nobody wants. This is the entire meal for today, honestly. Whew. Well, that was it. My 1000 subscriber special. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, give a thumbs up, a thumbs down, whatever you think. Yeah, in either way, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm very happy again for all the subscribers and such I've received and the publicity the Sitankgai videos received. Though I hope that whoever subscribed will also keep track on what I will upload further on in the channel. So, if you're still watching, I just want to address that my next video, which I'm currently editing right now, is going to be like a motovlog, my first motovlog, and it's going to be a little bit unusual. You're just going to see from the helmet most of the time, but it's just going to be an experiment. I'm not going to do this every single time, only when I'm riding motorbike, but that will just be like a small fraction of the trip, alright? So I just want to hear what you think about it, and of course I will improve. Other than that, thank you all so much for watching, and God bless, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, busog na. I can't let this go to waste. It's okay. So